Remember the glory days? You know the feeling, that heart-stopping moment when your old Nokia brick hit the concrete floor, your heart stopped, but the phone kept running. That was the definition of trust. Well, get ready, because that legacy is back. But this time, it's returning with a whole new power. It's returning as an absolute monster. I promise you guys, this is big. The beast has a name, the Nokia Infinity Max 5G. And let me tell you, this isn't just a model name, it's a warning shot to every other brand out there. Why? Because in today's video, we are cracking open all the leaked secrets that will make you say, forget the rest, I'm getting this one. So, let's dive into the guts of this monster. Display. If you think you've seen the perfect screen, think again. This phone packs a massive 6.85-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED display that basically puts a cinema hall in your pocket. But the magic doesn't stop there. With a 144Hz refresh rate, every swipe, every scroll, and every headshot in your games is going to feel buttery smooth. And don't worry about drops, this display is shielded by Gorilla Glass armor too. Plus, hidden beneath that glass is an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that unlocks your world in the blink of an eye. Camera setup. Now for the feature you've all been waiting for, the optics. Folks, brace yourselves, because this camera setup is about to rewrite history. On the back, we're looking at an entire army of 5 cameras. Leading the charge is a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor. Imagine taking a photo and zooming in, and the detail stays razor sharp. That is the power we're talking about. Backing it up are 4 more sensors, a 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, 12-megapixel, and an 8-megapixel shooter to make sure every angle is perfect. And for the selfie kings and queens, you get a 50-megapixel front camera that captures so much detail, every selfie looks like a story. Performance. But to handle this kind of firepower, you need a brain the size of a supercomputer. Under the hood, we have Qualcomm's most powerful mobile processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip is so powerful it's almost scary. Heavy gaming, 4K video editing, video calling at the same time. This phone won't even break a sweat. It is the undisputed king of performance. In running the show, the brand new Android 16 OS, battery backup, and finally, let's talk about the feature that made Nokia a legend, the battery. Take a deep breath, guys, this phone is rumored to pack a colossal 8900 mAh battery. That's not just a spec, that's freedom. Charge it once, and you're good for 2 or 3 days, easy. But the real question is, how long does it take to charge a beast this big? The answer? Just 25 minutes. You heard me right, with the 120-watt superfast charger, you can finish a cup of coffee, and your phone will be back at 100%. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what's the damage? And when can we get our hands on it? Now, Nokia hasn't made an official announcement yet, but, based on market leaks and these heavy-duty specs, experts are estimating a starting price between $700 and $800. As for the release, we're looking at a launch late this year. The wait is almost over.